It'll just tickle. Not these scissors.
Not sharp enough, eh?
No. Actually, have you turn your arm? Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you. Cotton doesn't want to separate from you.
Oh, okay.
You're not post-op or anything, right? It was just a break?
Yeah, it's a break. They put a bone graft in the screw.
Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna go over there because that's looking a little soft, a little tender.
Okay.
So I'll just go this way. There we go. Are you able to pull your thumb out? There we go.
Oh, wow.